Hi, I'm Jenn Streicher, and I was recently lucky enough to preview Chantecaille's new fall colors, and they're gorgeous. And I would love to show you how to do a really quick but beautiful daytime eye, and how we can transition that same look into a really elegant evening look. And all the shadows that I'm using today are Chantecaille's Luminescent eye shades. The first shade I'm going to use is one of my favorites, is the Lion, and it's a beautiful gold color. I'm also using Chantecaille's brush, a shade and sweep brush. I'm going to apply a lot of product to the brush, and I'm just going to do my whole entire lid with this color. So for the next step, I'm going to take Chantecaille's eye blend brush and the rhinoceros color, and I'm going to apply this to the bottom. So get a little product on there, literally just sweep across the bottom. Kind of bring it up on the ends a little bit. And our next step is Chantecaille's Faux Cils mascara. I like to do a nice thick coat. And the last step, I'm going to finish the look using Chantecaille's latest lip veil in Tamboti. It's a really beautiful neutral shade. And there we go. So now I'm going to show you how to take this into a nighttime look. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the same lion color and add a little water to it. So just a tad, and dip it into the color. It makes like a nice paste. We're going to apply that to the lid again. This just gives it a more dramatic effect, and it looks, foiled. The next step, I'm using the Giraffe, which is this beautiful bronze color, and the eye definer brush. And I'm just applying this color right into the crease. A little added drama. All right, for the next step, I am using the Luster Glide Silk Infused eyeliner in Raven, which is a nice deep black color. And I'm just going to go right on the lash line. It doesn't need to be perfect, because I'm actually going to go back and smudge it with my finger. So just get it on there, and then I like to use my ring finger and just kind of smudge that out so it's a nice soft line. I also am going to do the waterline on the bottom. I'm going back to the eye blend brush and the rhinoceros color, and I'm going to do a little bit heavier on the bottom. Again, just going right over that lash line. And for just like an added little drama, I'm going to take the eyeliner brush with Cheetah. It's a really beautiful kind of bone shimmer color. And I'm just going to apply this right to the corners, inside corners of the eye, to give it a little highlight. And maybe just one more coat of mascara. So I'm going to use a little of the Brilliant Gloss in Modern, is the name of the color. I want it to go a little bit lighter in shade, since the eyes are really the focus. All right, guys, that is my evening look. I hope you all try this at home, and thanks for watching.